3-inch 106 PG Disassembly. Start by removing the stem cap bolts. Press down slightly on the stem cap so the spring doesn't eject while removing. The stem cap seal. Remove the upper guide bushing. Remove the spring. Remove the bonnet bolts. Remove the bonnet. Carefully remove the diaphragm assembly. The seat and seat ring screws. Utilize the wrench flat to remove the stem nut. Loosen the stem nut. The stem nut has a machine finish which faces the diaphragm. Remove the upper clamp plate. The grooves allow the elastomer to expand and settle. Remove the diaphragm. Remove the diaphragm seal. Remove the inner valve. Remove the resilient disc. Remove the disc retainer. The disc retainer seal. The stainless steel stem. Disassembly complete.